All right, what's up, everybody? So just trying to make some content. Figured I'd show you some unboxing of this cool little tool roll I got. I already did most of the unboxing. Came in this cool little canvas or cotton or whatever the hell bag. And this is from Kruk Garage. They're out of the Ukraine. Is that at least what the shipping said? You can pause that if you want and read it. I'm not gonna hold it here the whole time, but they're legit. About $1.40 that I got it. It was on sale. I personally think it's worth it. I don't see myself getting, multiple tool rolls for when I'm, for multiple bikes or something crazy like that. But I just would rather prefer to have a nice leather, buy the bullet, get it once and not have to worry about it later. I even got it, what is that, embossed? Is that the word? Nah, wrong. But yeah, comes with, let's see, 3 and that's like 8 slots for wrenches or Allen keys. Got like 7 slots for what have you. Felt, nice thick leather. The strap is pretty hefty. Overall, I'm pretty stoked. Yeah. So if you're looking for something, go ahead and check it out. Otherwise, I also got a different bag by Cruz Tools. I opted for this one because it was Triumph specific, and that's what I have, Speed Twin. Whoop. And it kind of came with everything I needed. That is the positive of this one, even though it's not leather or like a waxed canvas. It does come with the tools that are specific for at least my ride, or some of them. That one didn't, and this one is about $40 cheaper. So yeah, either way, I'm most likely either gonna throw these in there. I've already started collecting some other tools prior to getting either of these, but I'm probably gonna put most of those in there and have this as a backup or something, or just give this to a friend. But yeah, go ahead and check them out. And this is just random content. Hope you enjoy it.